I just got off work. Time to do some more maintenance to get ready for the trip up north and everywhere else. And I had a small problem with my shifting linkage. It would kind of jam and not go into gear a little bit. Found out that there's a couple little Heim joints that dry out. So I'm going to show you how to lube them on the VTX. And there's a lot of other bikes that work about the same. So hang tight, stay tuned, enjoy the show. I don't know, I just got off of work, so. So if you look at the shifting linkage, go back. What's the camera? Right about here, there's a joint. Two places to lube. That joint there, and then it goes into the transmission behind this cover. So we're going to take this cover off, lube one joint, and lube this one right here. Couple squirts in there, and you're good. It's hard to kind of see. See if I can do it one more time. Right up in there. The other one. Most bikes will be about the same, so I'm going to pull that cover off. I'm cheating. I have my hand tools and the little tool kit that I'm building. And I'm using metal impact. So pull these. There's the cover. There's the other joint right there. Just a little bit of lube in there. Doesn't really take much. Does not take much at all. You don't have to take this off. While I'm in here, might as well take a look. It's my clutch slave. I'm curious about that. And everything looks good. That was easy. Nothing that jumps out is bad. That's lubed up. I'm just stop by the shifter a little bit. Work that stuff in a little bit. Then you put it back together, and that's how you fix the shifting problem on many bikes. When you feel that it won't go into gear or come out of gear, or it hangs you up, most of the time it's simply that. So short, sweet, to the point. Got many other projects coming on. I'm going to be rebuilding the calipers in the front because they're binding. I've got the front springs, they're sagging. I'm going to do a new battery and some other stuff, so stay tuned. If you like the channel, feel free to support it. Hit that like and subscribe button. Feel free to share it with all your buddies, your enemies, whoever. I don't get anything from it, but maybe one day.